Welcome to everyone visiting our channel. Today, we have prepared something truly special for you. Now, we are going to share the most fascinating facts about the owl. This creature has been a symbol of mystery for millennia, appearing in the myths, legends, and folklore of almost every culture on Earth. We are used to seeing them in pictures as symbols of wisdom. But have you ever wondered what it's like to be the perfect night hunter? Get ready as we dive into a world ruled by silence, hypersensitivity, and natural perfection. To understand the owl, we must first understand the darkness. While the rest of the world sleeps, the owl begins its day. Evolution has spent millions of years carving this bird into a masterpiece of efficiency. Let's start with what's most striking: their vision. An owl's eyes are unlike any other in the animal kingdom. They are massive, allowing them to collect even the tiniest amounts of light in the dead of night. In fact, their eyes are so large that they account for up to 5% of their total body weight. If human eyes were proportionally as large, they would be the size of grapefruits. However, an owl's eyes cannot move. They are shaped like long tubes, not spheres, and are locked into the skull by bony structures called sclerotic rings. To look sideways, an owl must turn its entire head. But nature compensated for this with incredible flexibility. 14 neck vertebrae allow them to rotate their heads 270 degrees. This isn't just a trick, it's a vital radar system that keeps them alive. Their blood vessels are specially adapted with reservoir-like pools to prevent the blood flow to the brain from being cut off during these extreme turns. Without this adaptation, the bird would faint every time it looked behind its back. If you walk toward an owl, you won't hear it. Their flight is the pinnacle of aerodynamics. Look at the edges of their feathers. They have microscopic serrations that break up air currents, turning large turbulences into tiny ripples. This completely muffles the sound. An owl can fly an inch from a mouse's ear, and the prey will hear nothing. The owl is a true stealth fighter of the natural world. This silent flight is not just for surprise attacks. It also allows the owl to listen for prey while flying, without the sound of its own wings interfering. While a hawk or an eagle creates a whooshing sound as it dives, the owl is a ghost in the air. But how do they hunt in absolute darkness? This is where their hearing takes over. An owl's ear openings are placed asymmetrically, one higher than the other. This creates a 3D sound map. When a mouse rustles under a thick layer of snow, the owl's brain processes the sound with microsecond precision. It knows exactly where the prey is without even seeing it. Their face acts like a satellite dish, gathering every sound wave. This facial disc of feathers can be adjusted by the owl to focus sound waves directly into their ear canals. They can hear a beetle crawling in the grass or a vole moving deep under the winter snow. Did you know that not all owls hoot? While the classic hoo-hoo is what we expect, owls actually have a wide range of vocalizations. Some hiss like snakes, some bark like dogs, some whistle, and some even sound like they are laughing. Barn owls, for instance, are known for their eerie, blood-curdling screeches that can be heard from a great distance. These sounds are used to defend territory or communicate with a mate. Speaking of mates, many owl species are monogamous, staying with the same partner for many years or even for life. They show incredible affection, preening each other's feathers and working together to raise their young. During the nesting season, the male is a tireless provider, bringing food to the female while she protects the eggs. The nesting habits of owls are also quite unique. Most owls do not build their own nests. Instead, they are the ultimate opportunists, taking over abandoned nests built by other birds like hawks or crows. Some prefer to live in the hollows of old trees, while others, like the burrowing owl, actually live underground in tunnels dug by squirrels or prairie dogs. In the Arctic, the snowy owl nests directly on the ground, relying on its white plumage to blend into the vast, frozen tundra. This adaptability is one of the reasons they have survived for so long in so many different environments, from the hottest deserts to the coldest forests on the planet. Owls are also masters of camouflage. Their feather patterns are designed to mimic the bark of trees or the colors of the forest floor. When an owl feels threatened, It can stretch its body and close its eyes to look like a broken tree branch. This perching pose makes them invisible to predators and unsuspecting prey alike. Their feathers are a mix of neutral browns, grays, and whites, reflecting the natural light of the overcast sky or the deep shadows of the woods. This is why it is so difficult to spot an owl during the day, even if you are standing right next to the tree where it is sleeping. Interestingly, owls have a very specialized digestive system. They swallow their prey whole, but cannot digest bones, fur, or feathers. Instead, their stomach compresses these materials into a small, compact ball called a pellet. About once or twice a day, the owl regurgitates this pellet. Beyond biology, the intelligence of an owl is often misunderstood. They possess a highly specialized spatial intelligence. An owl can memorize the exact layout of its territory, including every branch, hollow, and hunting spot, within a few days. Let's look at some of the most famous species. The barn owl is often called the ghost owl. Then there is the Eurasian eagle owl, one of the largest owls in the world with bright orange eyes. In the frozen north, the snowy owl reigns supreme. The history of owls goes back over 60 million years. In modern science, owls are inspiring new technologies like quieter airplane wings. The relationship between owls and humans has always been complex. Today, we recognize them as vital guardians of our environment. Every detail of their body is a testament to the power of evolution. As we watch these birds in the quiet of a winter morning, we see the beauty of the nature and beyond philosophy. It teaches us to listen before we speak and to look before we act. Thank you for visiting Nature and Beyond. Subscribe to join our community of nature lovers. Hit the like button, and we will see you in our next explorations through the wild. May the peace of the forest stay with you.